Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I hope you're having a great summer so far. You're enjoying the summer weather, and I hope you also join our summer reading program Read Square, or if you have been enjoying our story time or science lab, please let us know. So today experiments in science lab, we're going to make this cute insect. It's called a Bristlebot, so it can vibrate like so. If you can hear him like so. It is so much fun to make, and it's so easy and simple. You see it can vibrate like that. If you're interested, you can stay tuned and I will let you know what we need for this project. Okay, what you need for this project is a used toothbrush, or if you don't have a used one, you can buy the cheap one and then cut it, and then you just use the brush. So you don't need the whole thing, just use the brush for the body like so. Okay, and then you need the battery. This one is 2-volt battery, and then you need a double tape. It doesn't have to be a brand tape, but you can use like regular tape and just use double-sided one. And then pipe cleaners, any kind of color of preferences, and then googly eyes like so, and of course scissors. I use glue gun to glue everything down, otherwise it will be so hard and to stay down like this. So yeah, okay, let's get started. Okay, so you should have your toothbrush like so. Okay, the brush is facing down like that, and then you take your double-sided tape and put it on the top of the toothbrush like so. Okay, so you should have something like this. And then what you want to do next is you grabbing this your motor. Your motor is the one that has look like a tail. There's a red one, and then there's a blue one, and then there's the head one. So the head one is facing the end of the toothbrush, and you put it on the top of the tape like so. So you should have something like this. Okay, see that? Right. So you should have two tails facing that way and then the head facing the other way. Okay, and then now you want to bend. Which one do you prefer, the blue one or the red one? It doesn't really matter. So you want to bend it like so. So this thing, it's facing the tape, and then gently push it towards the tape like that. All right, leave the other one alone. You just want to bend one of them. If you want to bend the red one, that's okay, but leave the blue one alone too. So you should have something like this. All right, and then you want to grab your battery. This is the 2-volt battery one. Okay, if you pay attention to the battery, there's a positive sign there. The positive sign is facing up, and then the negative one is facing down. Okay, so you should have your vibrating motor too. So, and then what you want to do is you want to touch this red one towards the battery, and it should vibrate. If it doesn't vibrate, just let it try one more time, and then it should be good. Okay, and then we're going to add this fun thing like the googly eyes and the pipe cleaner. What you want to do is you take your glue gun and then you glue it on one side and then the pipe cleaner on the other side. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Let's see, so you put the glue on one side like this, like so. Okay, so you should have something like this. Okay, and then you take your pipe cleaner. I just cut it into this size, and then you put it on the top. You should glue into your double-sided tape like this. You put a glue on the other one. And then put a tape on it. So you should have your Bristlebot like so. You have your mini robot now, and then you just have to test it out. So you should firebird like so. Let's see. But don't touch the other end because sometimes it doesn't work. If you touch the other end, just leave it alone and then push down one of the wire towards the battery like that. So yeah, I hope you're having fun, and let us know if you have any question and comment below, and visit us on Instagram and our YouTube channel. Okay, until next time. Bye. Zzz.